Ever feel like your bank accounts are scattered across the internet like forgotten socks in a dryer? Yeah, us too. That's where budgeting apps like Mint come in, promising a one-stop shop for your financial life. But here's the thing, when you hand over your bank logins, a shiver might run down your spine. Is Mint safe? Can you trust them with your hard-earned cash? Let's dive into the vault and see what we find. Why security matters, the big bucks behind the app. Think about it. Mint connects to your bank accounts, credit cards, investments, basically your entire financial picture. In the wrong hands, that information could be a goldmine for identity thieves. So, it's crucial that Mint takes security seriously. And luckily, they claim to do just that. Intuit, the company behind Mint, boasts a whole arsenal of security features. Encryption, imagine your data wrapped in layers of complex code, like a high-tech treasure chest. That's encryption. Mint assures us they use industry-standard encryption to scramble your information, making it gibberish to anyone who shouldn't see it. Multi-factor authentication, MFA. This adds an extra layer of security on top of your password. Think of it like a two-factor lock on your house. Even if someone gets your key, password, they still need a code from your phone, MFA, to break in. Security scans. Just like a high-security prison has guards constantly patrolling, Mint supposedly has security scans running 24/7 to identify and patch any weaknesses in their system. The flip side, what could go wrong? Okay, that all sounds pretty good. But hey, nobody's perfect, right? Here are a few things to keep in mind. Third-party access. Remember, Mint needs access to your bank accounts to work its magic. That means sharing your login credentials with a third-party app. While Mint promises to keep this info safe, a data breach at their end could still expose your information. Human error. Let's face it, even the best security systems can be vulnerable to human mistakes. A phishing email tricking a Mint employee could potentially compromise user data. Your own habits. Security is a two-way street. Using a weak password or falling for phishing scams can leave you exposed, regardless of Mint's defenses. So, is Mint safe? The verdict, with a side of caution. Here's the deal, based on what we know, Mint appears to take security seriously. They have industry-standard safeguards in place. However, no system is foolproof. There's always a risk involved when sharing your financial data. Here's what you can do to be extra cautious. Strong passwords. This one's a no-brainer. Use a unique, complex password for Mint and enable MFA. Beware of phishing. Don't click on suspicious links or emails claiming to be from Mint. Always log in directly through the app. Monitor your accounts. Keep an eye on your bank statements and credit reports for any suspicious activity. The bottom line, you decide. Ultimately, the decision of whether to trust Mint with your financial data is yours. We've given you the facts, now weigh the risks and benefits. If you prioritize convenience and appreciate the budgeting tools, Mint could be a great option, as long as you take those extra security precautions. But if the idea of sharing your logins makes you sweat, there are always alternative budgeting methods you can explore. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.